Hello everyone, welcome back to my digital diaries. Are you building modern front-end applications with Sitecore AI? Then this video is for you. Today we will explore Content SDK, a powerful way to connect Sitecore content with modern frameworks like next.js and create fast, flexible and scalable website. So let's get started, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more Sitecore and AI content. When people hear the term Content SDK, they often think it's just another development library, but it's much more than that. Let's understand in a simple way. Modern front-end core. Content SDK is Sitecore's AI modern front-end development SDK for XM Cloud. It helps developers build modern websites using frameworks like Next.js and React, while seamlessly connecting to Sitecore AI content. Think of it as a bridge between your front-end application and your Sitecore content. Now let's see why this layer is so important. Content SDK sits between your Next.js application and the Sitecore AI content APIs. Instead of writing complex API calls yourself, the SDK handles content retrieval, page routing, layouts, rendering, and much more. This means developers can spend less time on backend integration and more time building great user experience. Another major advantage is performance. Content SDK is designed specially for headless architecture. That means your website loads faster, scales better, and gives visitor a smooth experience across devices. At the same time, developers get more flexibility to build modern applications using the tools they already know. Let's follow the complete content journey. It all starts with content authors who create the update content. They use the Sitecore AI page editor to manage pages. The page editor communicates with the Sitecore AI content APIs. Now comes the most important layer, and that is Content SDK. The SDK fetches the content, processes the layout and components, and delivers everything to your Next.js or React application. Finally, your users see a fast, modern, and personalized website experience. That's why Content SDK is the heart of a modern Sitecore AI frontend. Have you ever wondered why Sitecore introduced Content SDK when Sitecore already had MVC, Razors, and JSS? The answer lies in the evaluation of a modern web development. Let's compare the old approach with the new one. Let's start with the traditional Sitecore XP/XM architecture. Everything begins with the Sitecore rendering engine. The rendering engine combines your content, layouts, presentation logic. It then renders pages using technologies like MVC, Razor, or JSS. And finally, the fully rendered page is sent directly to the browser. In this architecture, Sitecore controls most of the rendering lifecycle. While this worked well for traditional websites, developers had limited flexibility when using modern front-end framework. So in short, Sitecore was responsible for both content management and page rendering. The front-end was closely tied to the Sitecore platform. Now let's look at the XM Cloud architecture. Here everything starts with Sitecore AI, where your content and page layouts are managed. Instead of rendering pages itself, Sitecore exposes the content through headless APIs. These APIs are consumed by Next.js application. The Next.js application renders the pages and delivers to the browser. This means the front end is now completely independent from Sitecore. But Here is an important question. If developers have APIs, why do they need Content SDK? Because Content SDK simplifies everything. It handles page layouts, routing, rendering, content mapping, and communication with Sitecore APIs. Instead of writing all that logic from scratch, developers can focus on building fast, modern, and scalable applications. That's exactly why Content SDK was designed, specially for the XM Cloud headless architecture. So the biggest change is the traditional Sitecore control the front end. Modern XM Cloud gives that control to Next.js, and Contain SDK makes the connection simple and powerful. In previous section, we learned why Contain SDK was introduced. But that raises another important question. What was wrong with the existing JSS SDK? Was JSS a bad framework? Not at all. JSS was a great solution for its time and helped thousands of developers build headless Sitecore applications. However, as Sitecore evolved towards XM Cloud, developers needed something simpler, lighter, and designed specially for the cloud native development. Let's look at the 5 major challenges that lead to the creation of a Contain SDK. The first issue was the JSS tried to support too many different Sitecore products and rendering models. One SDK had to work with Sitecore XP, Sitecore XM, XM Cloud, different rendering hosts, multiple deployment methods. Because of these, the framework contained many compatibility layers. Think of it like buying a universal remote that supports hundreds of TV models. Even if you only own one TV, you are still carrying all the extra functionality. The same thing is happened with JSS. XM Cloud developers were downloading features they would never use. That's where Contain SDK takes a different approach. Instead of supporting every possible scenario, it focuses only on XM Cloud. By removing legacy compatibility, the SDK becomes cleaner, smaller, and easier to maintain. The second challenge was complexity. JSS introduced several Sitecore specific concepts like placeholder APIs, component factories, manifest files, rendering host. For developers already familiar with Next.js, this meant learning an additional Sitecore framework before they could even start building. Instead of following standard React development, developers had to understand many custom patterns. With Contain SDK, things become much simpler. The developer flow looks like component, props, API, and then render. That's exactly how most React and Next.js developers already build applications. This reduces the learning curve significantly. Developers can spend less time learning framework specific concept and more time writing actual business logic. The third issue was application size. Because JSS support multiple platforms and compatibility layers, application contain more files and more code than necessary. This results in larger bundles, more JavaScript being downloaded, longer build times, and increased maintenance. With Contain SDK, all the unnecessary layers are removed. The result is very impressive. As per Sitecore, build the bundle size is reduced by around 49%. The total number of project files dropped by approximately 81%, and overall line of code decreased by nearly 39%. A smaller application means faster builds, better performance, easier debugging, simpler maintenance. And that's exactly what modern front-end teams are looking for. The fourth challenge involved the editing experience. JSS had to support multiple editing models, for example, experience editor, pages, different rendering approaches. This introduced additional complexity because developers had to account for different editing experience. With XM Cloud, Sitecore has standardized on pages. Content SDK aligns directly with the XM Cloud Pages editor. Instead of supporting multiple editing models, developers now work with one modern visual editing experience. This makes page editing more predictable for content authors and reduces development complexity. Everyone works on the same platform using the same editing model. Fifth issue was configuration. If you have worked with JSS before, you probably remember creating and managing several configuration files. Developer often had to deal with manifest file, component factories, rendering host configuration, additional project setup. Before writing any business logic, a significant amount of time was spent configuring the application. Content SDK removes much of this overhead. There are no manifest file, no component factories, no rendering host management. Developers can simply create components, connect to Sitecore APIs, and start building. Less configuration means faster project setup, easier onboarding, better developer productivity. So let's quickly recap the 5 reasons why Content SDK replaced JSS for XM Cloud. First, JSS supported too many different Sitecore scenarios. Second, it introduced additional framework concepts that developers had to learn. Third, application become larger because of the compatibility layers. Fourth, it supports multiple editing experience, increasing complexity. And finally, it required much more project configuration. Content SDK addresses all of these challenges by being focused, lightweight, cloud native, and optimized specially for XM Cloud. The modern front-end developers, it feels much closer to standard React and Next.js development, while still providing seamless integration with Sitecore. That's why Content SDK is now the recommended approach for new XM Cloud projects. I hope this comparison help you to understand not only what Content SDK is, but also why Sitecore created it in the first place. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to my digital diaries, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss out latest Sitecore AI and modern development tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.